Okay guys, just want to do a quick video of my review of this drop-in K&N air filter. You can usually get them on sale for about 60 bucks. Um, I thought I was going to get a little bit of gain, seeing that the factory Chevrolet filter it looked very restrictive. But I've been driving around for about 1,000 miles and still clean. But my review on it really is there's really no difference that I can tell. There's no horsepower gain, no throttle response gain. I think the only benefit really to this filter is you don't have to clean it for a while. You don't have to worry about replacing it for, I think it's like 50,000 miles. You just clean it. But it's very simple. There's 3 screws and, just the box pops open, slide it in. Very easy. But as far as gains, I think I'm going to probably in the next month or so go ahead and do a cold air intake, because I wanted to try this first, being as cheap as it is, but you get what you pay for. So probably going to be doing a cold air. Don't know if I'm going with K&N cold inductions. Been watching a lot of videos on those. You get more gain, that's for sure. But as far as this drop-in, like I said, only benefit, you don't have to worry about replacing it for a while. And that's it.